Alright, boys. Trade recap of the day. So today I took an L again. I lost $455.7 on the day. So I mean it's been a brutal start since it's been brutal honestly since I bought the challenge again. But I guess it is what it is, right? So today was not the highest probability day. Um, Probably could have avoided it. Like we can just look at the 4 hours, see that it's kind of range bound, kind of choppy. So could have been an avoidable loss. But again, it is what it is, right? So um, let's just go into the trade recap. So yeah, coming into the morning, I can like delete all of these. Let me just delete all of these. Um, all right, so let's just go into the trade recap. So we can see that we kind of have draws on liquidity above and lower. So this will probably have been a warning for me to stay off the charts today. But um, yeah. So basically, my bias was looking at the hourly. We can see that we have this bearish gap that we are delivering from, and we have this hourly intermediate high, and then we are clearly drawing towards these and these relative equal lows here, resting inside of this hourly gap above. So this to me looks like the clear draw on liquidity for the day. Now, going into the lower time frame, um, actually if we look at ES as well, we can see that we already took out those lows, so we had an SMT here. So, and we also, let me see, yeah. So we technically had an SMT from these lows up to these lows, right? So, yeah. And market open, like this 15 was being my condition to take out these hourly high. Um, and if we, to then take shorts, right? So, going into market open, let's just go straight into it. We can see that we open high. We almost took these draw out, but what happened was we put in an SMT here. Wait, we put in an SMT here inside of this key level, which was this 5-minute gap, while still holding this 15-minute gap. So I thought, okay, maybe this high can be protected, and this will be our manipulation, right? I thought this was going to be our manipulation to then target all of these relative equal lows from here, even though we had an SMC, and these relative equal lows here, and these relative equal lows, right? So on the 1-minute chart, we can see that we got this inverse right here, and I I wanted to enter there, but I didn't. Um, I only entered like, yeah, so right here. Let's put this like, it was somewhere around here, right? So I entered somewhere around here, and my stop loss was above this high, right? Because we technically made an order block, and I was like, I wanted us to flush down these lows, and of course my break even was going to be down at these relative equal lows. So I wanted us to flush down, and I just put my stop here. Um, so the only thing I didn't see was we had a 2-minute below. So this 2 minute, I should have waited for it, right? So because at that moment, like, I mean, yeah. So basically, I got stop rated, right? Actually, break even would probably be here, but yeah. I mean, was this the best possible trade? No, it wasn't. We had liquidity resting above and below, so I mean, this could have been avoided. Um, but yeah, I got stopped out. I usually do like a close above the inversion, but I mean, this was just so fast that I my stop got triggered. So yeah, pretty unfortunate. The rest of the day we just went higher. Um, yeah, I mean, this to me looks like a very good John liquidity, but I mean, it is what it is, right? I mean, this was just not the highest probability day, so it is what it is, and yeah, I'm going to refresh during the weekend, clear my mind, and hopefully come back stronger next weekend, right? So yeah, I can show my executions. Let me see. Where is it? Executions here. I need to connect TradeOvate. Alright, I'm connected to TradeOvate now. So yeah, right there. So I entered at 25,592.75, 25,592.75 right here, and my stop was 25,615.25, 25,615.25. Right. So yeah, my stop was right above that 1 minute high. So I mean, yeah, pretty unfortunate that I lost. So, but I mean, it is what it is, right? So it is what it is, and I mean, losses are part of the game, right? So it all comes down to psychology. I know this could have been avoided, but yeah. Um, hopefully next week will be better. So yeah, with that being said, I appreciate you boys, and I'll see you next week.